Looks good. Everywhere, 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 everywhere. Even on Facebook stories. Looks pretty good. Let's talk about specifically getting our audience a little bit more tight, let's say. Copy this. I don't have to do that anymore. Okay, so we're going to run a new ad here. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Ads Manager. Now, how to get to Ads Manager? Get out of here. All right. To get to Ads Manager, you go here, you go here, you go here, and you're at Ads Manager. Now, let me show you a really important piece. Really important piece. Okay. Now, you can run ads from your personal account. That's fine. But what we're going to do is I want you to run them through another account, because in case you get thrown in Facebook jail, you can't run any more ads. So you can run them from your personal account. That's totally fine. But you get thrown in Facebook jail, that's not going to work. So maybe I strongly suggest you creating another account to run your Facebook ads out of, just so you don't get thrown in jail. Up here is we're going to go to create our ad. Now, there's two different types of ads, just like the other one. There's traffic, which is a website, landing page, click funnel, something like that. And there's lead generation, which is the form. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the lead generation just to stay on the same one. But if you had like listings to leads, or you had a landing page, or you're running phone sites, or a click funnel, or anything like that, you could run a traffic ad. If you're going to run a click funnel, though, conversion ads is really the way to go, because it tracks where people are leaving Facebook. Okay, so that's a really good thing, and it tracks how many people have left and clicked on your site. The analytics are a lot better, because if you get into this and you start spending a lot of money, you're going to need to know that information. Or for right now, let's just keep everything congruent, and we're going to run a lead generation ad targeted to a specific audience. So set up our ad account, here, your time zone, what have you. Now let's run our ad. Guys ready? Okay, let's do this. So it's going to ask us the same thing about the audience, and that's okay. We're just going to run a test ad here, and now we're going to do what we're going to say is our saved audience. And what our saved audience is, it's this right here. And how we did that, okay, it came from the ad that we just did. If you want to run that, okay, from here, you can do that. That's totally fine to do it that way. Now, I want to run an ad from a list of people. So we're going to create new. We're going to go to custom audience. Custom audience, you can, anybody that hits your lead form that we're talking about now, your lead form on your Facebook ads, we can do everybody them. We can do everybody that liked your Facebook business page, all that. I want to do a customer list. So let's say you have a CSV file of a farm area, where you have your entire database of 10,000 people and you want to download your CSV. This is how you do it. Okay. Value, click no. Always click no on value, because we're not selling anything. Now, I'm going to upload a file. And what do you know? I just have one happen to be sitting right here. Name your audience. Okay. Zip codes are fine with. Emails they're fine with. Let's see what they don't know. They need their first name. They need their last name. They don't do addresses. They do cities. Let's do city. And we're going to do state. And they don't do phone numbers, because you don't have the country code in there. Okay. Upload and create. Okay, now we've got our audience. So now we're done with our audience. There's our custom list. Very simple. living in this location. I want to do that. People living in this location. And you won't be able to change any of this anyway because you're running a specialty housing ad. Automatic placements. Put your budget in here. Continue. And then this is where we're going to run our ad. And just like before, this is where you're going to put your copy in there. Okay, just like we did before. Image. Boom. Got our form in here. And you can also see what it looks like here on your desktop. Articles. Looks good. Everywhere, 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 everywhere. Even on Facebook stories. Looks pretty good. All right, guys. Now we're going to go here. Facebook, this is a conversion thing. Facebook pixels, you can run it in your website header and things of that nature and get a little bit more tracking. But the reason that says no audience is because it doesn't know where it's going. And that's okay. Okay. Then you hit confirm and you've launched your ad. All right. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, you know where to find us, and have a great day.